Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove or replace the front ashtray on BMW 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013. So if your ashtray door doesn't open or close, we'll show you how to remove and replace the whole assembly. Now just the ashtray, you pretty much just pull it out, that's simple. But you have to do something specific, okay, if you want to remove the whole ashtray. Because that could be a weak spot and it might not open or close, and this will be covered in the video today. So please subscribe guys, we have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart. Anything from engine work, interior, door panels, anything you can think of. So please give a like, subscribe, and let's start on it now. All the tools and parts that we use in the videos will be listed in the description of the video below, so please check it out. So what we need to do, okay, we need to put the key in, turn the ignition on without starting the car. Okay, the ignition on without starting the car is when you have the lights on, but the car not running. Have your emergency brake on as well, all the way up, and this is because we'll need to put the car in drive without the engine running. Press the brake, shift it in drive. Now, what you need to do, grab with your hands, push that button and pull straight up. Do not twist or anything like that because you will break your knob. Okay. And came out. Now, in order to remove, okay, the trim piece, we'll need to remove the shifter trim right here as well. And with a plastic panel removal tool, okay, we're going to pry it up. Now here, you can see we have only two wires, and those are with a small flat head screwdriver. There is one tooth that we need to pry. Okay, this is the tooth right here. And one on this side as well. Okay, and we removed it just like that. Now you need to open the armrest all the way with the same plastic panel removal tool. There is a couple clips. Okay, so you need to start on this side. Okay, lift it up. Now you can see clips holding here and there, so you need to work your way around it. Okay, and you can pull it towards the back. Now we need to disconnect the wire here. Okay, and let me see if I can pull it out so I can show you. Actually, I want to show you how to do that wire. Okay, this wire has one tooth on the bottom. This tooth with a flat head screwdriver, barely pry it like that. Okay, and pull it out. Okay, you can see that whole piece now will be out. All we have to do is disconnect this wire. Okay, right here, this is for the power outlet socket. So again, you need to, okay, you need to, let me see, you need to squeeze those things in towards each other. Push down, squeeze in, pull it out. Okay, and it came out. So now in order to remove the ashtray, we need to get a T10 torque stand socket. That's so fine, so little. And there is 4 screws that we need to remove with that T10. Okay, 2. So this is the third one here. And after that we just have one more. Okay, now you can grab the ashtray. Okay, and you can pull it out. You can see all the different things that we found actually inside of it. Okay, look at that change. I didn't even know that it's there. So the ashtray is out of the way now. So what we have to do now, in order to remove, to replace it, just install everything in reverse order that we took it apart. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and many more videos to come to the channel.